Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to buy this X token on PancakeSwap and on Trust Wallet. So when you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to scroll down and you will see and you will click on market, and as you can see you can buy it on PancakeSwap. So in order to buy it you will need some kind of wallet, so I suggest to use like Trust Wallet. After that, when you will install Trust Wallet on your phone, you will need to have BNB coins here in order to buy with PancakeSwap this X token, because it has a contract with Binance Smart Chain. So to buy BNB, you can click on buy BNB, enter the amount and buy it with your credit card like this. But Trust Wallet has higher fees, so I highly suggest you to use like Binance.com, for example, and I will also leave a 5% deposit bonus for Binance in the description below, so you can use it and get more BNB coins if you don't already have Binance. After that, when you will buy BNB coins on Binance, you will need to transfer them to Trust Wallet. So to do this, you're going to click on receive BNB. You will copy your Trust Wallet's address and you will paste it to your Binance. And after that, when you will have BNB coins, you're going to click on browser right here and scroll down until you see popular. If you don't see this browser button, you need to enable it by going to Safari. This is for iPhone users. You paste this link and you click on go, and the Trust Wallet app will open up with this browser button. After that, you're gonna click on PancakeSwap and you need to connect your Trust Wallet, so you click on connect here and click on Trust Wallet. Also, you need to be here on exchange section, and here on the settings, slippage tolerance should be 11% or lower, just for the better transaction. After that, you will need to choose a currency. So to choose the currency, you need the contract address of this X token. So you go back to CoinMarketCap, you scroll down until you see contracts, and you copy this address. Binance Smart Chain, and as you can see, there's the contract address. You go back here to PancakeSwap, you paste this address here. You click on X token and basically just gonna enter the amount of X token you want to buy, and you wanna buy it. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you buy X token on PancakeSwap and on Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.